evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Wednesday, October 26th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis and are described in detail in the trading manual and the live daily Shark Den. We are showing 9 trade setups for a potential profit of 55 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1237.75, represented by this white dotted line. We don't usually trade from 9:30 until 9:45 unless we have, there's always an exception to the rules, unless we have an opportunity to set up towards the gap fill, which we did in this case. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks, and we don't usually take the trades right there with the news announcement because you don't know which way the market's going to push. With that being said, there was an actual setup, so I'm going to color it in yellow since I'm not counting it in today's trade. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 9 ticks, and then the market sold off very heavy, no opportunities to get in. We did finally have an opportunity right around 10:30 or so, an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for -2 ticks. We then had another opportunity. This was another trade because we were sitting at the Globex range low. Shorting into that would have been a mistake today. We chose not to take this trade, but if you were doing the trading manual, you would have taken it. You would have shown a -16 ticks. Did not even get target 1 off. Total of 16 ticks stop up. The market then retraced and continued on. Didn't even find support at the hourly range low and sold off heavy, only to find an opportunity to get long right here around the 11 o'clock in the morning time frame. We had actually 3 trades set up in this short period of time. We had one trade that fired off. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ticks. Took a little bit of downside pressure. The second green arrow, my apologies. This first arrow matches up with the second target of 14 ticks. This first green arrow matches up with this 13 ticks. This yellow arrow is an indication of a shark attack trade that you can learn about in the Shark Den. And that final target did not actually fire off until right up here around 11:45 in a no trade zone. So if you're in that trade, you can either hold on or you can scale out prior to getting into the no trade zone. Total of 24 ticks. It's in yellow. We did not count it. We did have another trade set up just before we got into the no trade zone, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 8 ticks. This is a no trade zone here from 11 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. A period of lower volume, higher volatility, and we watched the market take off without any opportunities to get in until finally right here we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were a total of 7 ticks right there at about 20 minutes after 2 Eastern Standard Time. We then had another opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ticks. And then right there at about 3 o'clock, an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for -2 ticks. Another opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for -2 ticks. And we had what's called a touching surface trade that is a normal trade setup. So with that being said, we didn't count it in our tick count today. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks. Coming back through our moving average, we had an opportunity to find resistance. Actually, no support. Broke through support, found resistance at the opening price, and sold off target 1 and target 2 for a total of 8 ticks, and then went sideways into the close of the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.